So let's start my video. First of all, you can see there a review of our project of our coin, Little Dogecoin. You can see there the first and only decentralized liquidity based cross assets multi-station payment gateway. You can also see their contract address here and a project Steffi project with a patent defending on Singapore that aims to outright major dedication blockchain and payment gateways by enabling all crypto assets across our blockchain network to be used over payment assets. Means it's a blockchain DeFi project, decentralized liquidity based contracts. You can also see there. You can see they're protecting merchants from asset volatility and zero. You can also join their pre-sale if you want to. You can add money with the same time. After watching this video, you can see there about payment gateways and next generation DeFi solutions. You can also see that like seamless payment with auto conversions, remittance with auto conversions, peer-to-peer transfer, decentralized finance and everything. You can see there limitless integrations like web and mobile smart wallet like MetaMask with extension functionality like installing web plugging low merchants. When you read this you will understand very well, so don't be worried guys and read this because this project is very easy and decentralized and a DeFi project, when also called a DeFi project. And when after watching this video I hope you will understand very well. You can also see their patent submissions like download patent documents, the claim. When you read this when you will understand very well why Little Dogecoin means, the reason that why you can join this, what are the reasons. We believe that Dogecoin tokenomics is the best fit for our use case and as a sign of gratitude, the Dogecoin per peg token in BSC will also be native token of the project and everything. So guys, though it's a reasons that's why we use Little Dogecoin and everything. Why our solution is a way better than the dedicated payment network and everything. When you read this, you will understand very well about their ecosystems, flexibility, flexible money laundering controls and everything. Guys, want to help fund this project? You can also use their this address, contract address, and send your BST in your wallet address. And for every $2 BUSD you send to this wallet address, you will get one Little Dog token daily for generations. You can also join on some social sites like Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, and Reddit. Let me show you their website. When you click on Facebook, you can see there a review page of Facebook. When you follow him, you can see there many updates, many posts on there, and you can also follow him and be a part of this comment. After that, you can see there review of Twitter page where just follow him and also be a part of this comment. You can also see there some tweets of their that admins their post in their sites. You can see there Little Doge with 26 September. Little Dog is an XRP on steroids. Why the battle is between 1000 tokens versus on XRP coin and everything. You can also see the review of their Telegram page. You can see there are 2910 members are online, but 247 members are online because its community is very low, but in future their community is more than 2910 because this project will goes to moon like Elon Musk project and technologies. So guys, don't this opportunity and buy this token, buy this coin in a very huge amount if you want to earn money. So I also told you, if you have some bad doubts in your mind, bad thinking, you have some bad to keep do your own research on this project and clear your all bad minds, bad thinkings and everything. So you can also join on their GitHub page and their Reddit page to be a part of this community. Guys, I hope you will like my video and be the part of this community. So after that, I will told you how you can join their pre-sale and everything. So let me show you. First of all, you can see that when you click on the token, you can see there a review of the token. What is the token? Let me show you. You can see there the token account. First of all, you can see their token contract address. When you will use this contract address to buy the token on different exchanges. You can see there 30 years inflate ratio and everything. This goes to downs to up and everything. Little Dog will be our source of fund of payment gateway method and data tokenomics and everything. You can see also there are map. First of all, you can see there the green page is for 10% means 10% are for rewards, 10% are for team, 20% are for their team, marketing are for 20%, and R&D means 50%. 50% everything. When you read this, you will understand very well because this project is also a DeFi and decentralized token. After that, when you click on pre-sale, you can see their pre-sale page. There you can also see their you can also see their countdown. This pre-sale will ends in 3 days, means there are 3 days left to ending this pre-sale. You will be if you want to join this community, if you want to buy this token in very cheap price, I think you should join now because it's a chance for you to earn more money If you join their pre-sale now, you will earn more money than your thoughts. You can also see their contribution. Minimum you can buy 0.1 BNB, and maximum you can buy 2 BNB, and you can see their 62,050. That means that's a very huge amount on BNB. And you can see that there are 3 days, 3 hours, 42 minutes are left. You can also see their target capital, like minimum 200 BB and maximum are 400 BB, and you can join pre-sale in pink sale and everything. Launching partners are ever on pink sale and everything. There are gear global partners and they support this. You can also see their contract address. When you click on this, you can see their contract address. Let me show you guys. So when you click on smart contractors, you can see that their pair is downloaded, and you can see their contract address link and their balance is 0 and BNB value is 0 and their contract created and everything. So you can also see there are some holders. So there are only one holders who hold this token, because he knows one day their value will get high and he earns more profit than his thoughts. So after that, you can also see join their pre-sale to earn more money. And after you can that, when you click on their roadmaps, you will see a review of this site. So let me show you. There are some quarters. Let me show you. First of all, you can see their quarter 4 2021 fundraising, launch a private soul for initial capitalization, ownership, fintech company registration, venture capital, token listing, successful audit, exchange listing and everything, team hiring, everything in quarter 1. You can 2022 means their win is very high, and they will thinking on next year because they want to grow their coin and everything. In quarter 1, you can see quarter 2 2022 payment, wallet development, develop of main payment, testnet testing and fire definitely everything. In quarter 2 2022, their gateway development of Binance, third party integrations, POS, digital e-commerce platform plugins, gaming payment plugin. At every quarter 3, they want their Ethereum mainnet development, Harmony mainnet development, chain link payment. Quarter 4, they want GApp to ensure growth in our system. This will include DEX, farming, pools, lottery, lending, NFT, etc and everything. So guys, it's a very DeFi protocol. I think you should join this. You will understand very well after watching this video. And if you don't understanding, I to do your own research and clear your all mind, because this is I will also give this link and side link on my description, and also give some their social links on my description. After that, you can see their shilling competition. When you click on there, you can see their shilling competition. You can see their page of shilling competition is loaded. You can see there are 0 entries, and total entries are 1385. 3 days are left. Little Doge shilling competition as prepared. Little Doge shilling competition, 10 winners of 35 7 lakh and 50,000 little dogs tokens, and 30 winners of means that these are their prizes of shilling competition. First prize are 7 lakh and 50,000 first 10 winners will get 7 lakh and 50,000 tokens, and first 30, after 30 winners they will 6 lakhs, and 40 winners 5 lakh, and 50 winners 4 lakh. So it's a great and competition, and there 18 ways to enter means you can also join on Facebook or voting on Dogecoin and coinsniper.net, Little Doge on YouTube, retweet and YouTube interpay, retweet on Little Doge on Twitter, tweet on Twitter and everything. You can also join means there are 18 ways to enter this project and this coin and vote on this and be a part of this community. So after that, you can also, when you let's came to our home site, when you came, you can also see their white competition everything. When you click on this, you can also see their white competition. Let me show you. You can see that their white competition is loaded. You can see their 0 entries and total entries are white competition are 6,759 entries. 2 days are left for their white competition. Dogecoin soon will, guys, this coin means little Dogecoin will ups will high in future than Shiba Inu. It's a challenge for Shiba Inu. You can see there daily Dogecoin little son will take the revenge of Shiba Inu with its patent pending, a trademark and everything. Guys, join now if you want to earn more money. So I am a YouTuber. I will suggest you to invest your money in a right path, and it's depend on you. You will agree on my decision or not. You can also see their white paper. When you click on this, you will see a review of this white paper. Let me show you. You can see their decentralized liquidity base across assets, multi-station payment gateway and everything. When you read this, you understand very well their founding team, their Rusty Gay and the whole Clary. These are their admins, introduction and software method. You can see also see the introduction, who we are and everything, team backgrounds, our motivational and everything. Guys, it's a chance for you to join this. When you read this, you will understand very well, because in white paper they wrote all and everything about their project. Means they wrote all their project in detail in their white paper. So when you read this white paper, you will understand very well, and everything and all doubts will be cleared through that have in your mind. So let's come in our side, and you can also see their founding team. When you click on this, you can also see their founding team. I will open you in another link. Just click here and you can see that these are their founding team. Their team members are there: Rusty Gate, these are their founder investor of Dave, and also called Dave Software Engineer LinkedIn. Rahul Alolod, you can see he is the co-founder, product advisor, engineer, blockchain, and Calare. She is the girl, she is very beautiful, and she is the marketing director, software engineer. So guys, their team is very cooperative. Give a big hand to their team, and I hope you will like my video. I hope you will like this project. And so guys, this project is goes to moon like Elon Musk project. So don't skip my video and buy this project. And I also told you, if you have some bad doubts, so please do your research and clear your bad thinkings, clear your bad doubts on this project. I don't want that to you invest your money in a bad way. I want that you invest your money in a right way. So that's why I suggest you just invest your money in this like little Dogecoin, because this project, this value of this token, the coin, the value of this coin will more than Shiba Inu, and it's an open challenge for you for Shiba Inu. Let's meet in my next video. Take care of yourself, guys.